Hello guys, Randy here with Retire with Options. It is May 14th, 2020, and we're going into option expiration tomorrow. I got a lovely surprise this morning when I had this email from my broker saying that my account was down over 4.39K today. They can send out these little warnings. Gotten them before, but it's always hard to see, so I thought today was going to be just a matter of doing damage control. But I actually had an appointment at the opening of the market today, so I was just hoping that it was not going to go too far south until I had a chance to go in and correct some stuff. But by the end of the day, we ended up on a pretty good positive note, and I actually only did one correction. I noticed that 3M was really behaving badly today. I had a call that was expiring tomorrow that was going to be in the money at 140, and so I just rolled that out. To let's see where to June. Actually, it was a 140 put that was going to be in the money, so I rolled it out to June 12th, 140 put, sold it for 1091, and I bought the earlier put back and gave me this realized negative today of 724 on that option. I keep thinking I'm going to lose Apple to this 305 call. It kind of confused me today. At first I wasn't going to lose it, then I am going to lose it. I think it's actually going to go away tomorrow. We have to see what it's going to go, but I'm backing it up with a lot of puts. Like I say, I'm still trying to keep a position in Apple. So earlier this week, I sold all these puts against Apple. They're not actually expiring till the 22nd, but they're all new in my position. And I got some June 5th and June 12th puts out there. So you can see the kind of premium I'm collecting on these. Also did my first Amazon put this week. I sold the 2305 put. That was actually 100 and something points away when I sold it, and TD Ameritrade predicted it at like 88% probability of being out of the money. It immediately turned on me, and the very next day dropped like 45 points. It's slowly working its way back, so I got to keep an eye on this one. It expires on the 22nd. I only collected 961 for it, and it's currently going for 25.55. It could go either way, folks, on that one. Duke looks like it's behaving. Johnson & Johnson's behaving. The 3M we just talked about, it's behaving badly. Microsoft's are all expiring, going to be out of the money. Netflix expiring, going to be out of the money. T made a reversal on me today. It was doing okay, then it was going backwards. But now they all seem to be back on track and expiring out of the money. You can go through these and look how many I got. I'm just trying to build a position in AT&T. So if some of these get put to me, that's fine. And when I just start collecting that 7% dividend on it, and Visa there, it's decaying just fine. So overall, the market swung on me nearly $8,000 in one day. That's crazy, but that's the life of the options. So I'm up about 1.43% on my portfolio for today, and that's about it. and subscribe, and comment down if you have any questions and you want to see more of this type of stuff. Either yes or no, and talk to you later.